Okay, this one we're kind of in this area called Beco do Desporto. It's basically like, I wonder if we can actually walk through there. I've never actually tried. It says no pets. So I think we actually probably could. This little Beco. So I might actually do that. I mean, give you a little context. Down there's Taipa village, you can see Venetian Casino. You can see Galaxy Casino over there. Those are both in Kotai Strip Casino. That's like a soccer field. I think we might be able to go down there. I thought that gate was usually closed, but maybe not. So we're basically in this little area called Beco, like sports lane, basically. Sorry for my mispronunciations. Okay, let's go check it all out. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So we are going to try to go down there. Just to give you some context, this street I believe is called Hua, like Sports Street. I think that's the name of it. Can't recall exactly. There's a name down there for one of the streets, but whatever it is, we're definitely going to try to go down there. I haven't went in that side before. I think that this is called, maybe there's also the Olympic Stadium right over there, so you can see some of that. But we're gonna label it as the Beco, of course, because that's the one that we're walking in. And we'll just see how far down we can get. I've always thought that gate was closed, so I didn't know I could actually try to get down here before. And I might not be able to. But it does say like no dogs, right? So that kind of implies, and there's actually some seats here too. And there's a stadium right there, so you can see into that a little bit. And it's locked, which kind of implies too that you know, maybe we I just don't know. It's kind of confusing for me. So we're just gonna keep on walking. We'll just walk with confidence, as if we're... Can we go out that way?
Hello.
Can I go out that way?
Where?
Is there an exit?
Not there.
Yeah, that way.
No, cannot go.
No exit.
Yeah, already closed.
Closed.
Yeah,
Okay.
Only this way.
Only that way. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So only that way. So at least we kind of got a little bit of a glimpse. And I guess we probably I think that's usually always closed. So anyways, that's the stadium gates. So yeah, if there's some kind of event, so they left the gate open and people come in, which is what I just happened. So okay, at least I didn't walk for a long ways without any purpose. But anyways, that's the stadium right there. The lights. And I believe it's called like Olympic Stadium. So we're gonna take a left and we're gonna walk towards Taipa. But at least we kind of got to see a little taste of Olympic Stadium. Beco de Desporto. Let's kind of see. So yep, that's the sports side. We'll try to okay, let's see. So down there, there's a mountain, there's like a hill over there too. I think what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to go across, because I'm going to try to capture some of the basketball, and then also this other street sign here too. So that one's called Rua do Desporto, which is right there. So that one is Sports Street as well. And then they're all kind of walking towards the Galaxy, and there's kind of a main road that way. And there's a bunch of basketball players and soccer players here. Today it looks like it's soccer. And I think what we're gonna do is we'll just stay on this side. We'll walk down a little ways. So that's basically Sports Street and Sports Beco. Beco, I think, is like, it's a Portuguese word, of course. I think it's like mouth. Sometimes it's kind of like alley, or like, it seems like I kind of generally notice that it's like feeds into a bigger road with the same name often, like offshoot of. Okay, so we're walking near a sports stadium now to the sorry, not a stadium but a sports facility, public sporting area, and there's another one over there too, and if we can we'll walk that direction. But yeah, this is a sports street, so you can see over there you got like track and such. Let's see if we can walk across. So yeah, that's kind of like the sports track, stuff like that. And then there's another one on the other side too, over there. And Galaxy Casino's over there. And we're gonna feed into, yeah, these are little sports centers. So this whole street has stadium, public facilities, swimming pool, all kinds of stuff like that. And when you work out, you can come go to McDonald's afterwards. So, okay, so that's basically Sports Street. What we're gonna try to do is try to cross the street if we can. See if we can get across here. Yep. So okay. So now we're just gonna lead into this type of village area. It's just called Regular Street here, which just has a lot of the businesses. And then that Sports Street just kind of went off the side of that, right? So that's basically the street we were just at, was that one right there called Sports Street. And you can look down a little bit, you can see Regador and then Galaxy Casino. All the Cotai Strip stuff is down that way. Nice plaza in this area. And then more Regador, and then that's our focus street, Sports Street. All right, another little taste of Macau for you. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la voz divina.